Okay. Okay. So if it is a real number, we know how to find the square root of that. If it is a complex number, how we do it? So see here the definition of a square root of a complex number. Let z is belongs to c. That means if it is a complex number, if w belongs to c, w is also a complex number such that w is square is equal to z. 2 square is equal to z. Then w is called a square root of z. We now find square root of z is equal to a plus ib. The square root of a complex number is again a complex number. We have to remember that. So what we are going to do now, we are going to find the square root of a complex number. Square root of a complex number. Let us take this z as a plus ib. Z equal to a plus ib. See here we have two cases. The case one is if b is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, what is it z called? Z is called a real number. Z is equal to a. And if a is positive, we simply write it as z is equal to plus or minus root a. If a is positive. If a is negative, that means we get z is equal to minus 4. If z is equal to minus 4, what is root z? It's nothing but root minus 4. Then we get an imaginary value. So how we write? I into root minus a. Okay, this is the first case. And what will be the second case? Second case is b is not equal to 0. That means it has both real part and imaginary part. For such cases, we square it, we find w square, and the similar process what we did in the previous problem, comparing the real part and imaginary part. Comparing the imaginary part and real part. Okay. My eraser is much slower than me. Okay. So see here ma, we have z is equal to w square by definition. And what is z? Z is a plus ib. Okay, so let us take that. Let w is equal to x plus iy. So what will be z? We know that z is a plus ib. We substitute w here. What we get? X plus iv. So square. Let us square this. X plus iy whole square. So a plus ib is equal to, if we square this, we get x square plus iy whole square. What is iy whole square? It's nothing but I square into y square. What is I square? Minus 1. So here we get x square minus y square. We are very much familiar with this. 1 plus I into 2xy. Let us compare the real part and imaginary part. So what we get? We get x square minus y square. Real part in the right hand side is equal to real part in left hand side. And what will be the imaginary part in the left hand side? It is b. In right hand side we have 2xy is equal to b. So what's our main aim here? We have to find what is x and what is y. We know AB. We have to find x and y in terms of AB. That's our main target now. X square minus y square is equal to A. Now tell me, what is x square plus y square whole square? It's nothing but x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. That is nothing but 2xy whole square. This is an identity from your lower classes itself, isn't it? So x square minus y square whole square is nothing but a square. 2xy whole square is nothing but b square. So this is x square plus y square whole square. So now tell me, what is x square plus y square? It's nothing but square root of a square plus b square. So we know what is x square minus y square. It's nothing but a. And what is x square plus y square? It's nothing but root a square plus b square. Now we need x and y. So add these two. By adding, we get 2x square is equal to a plus root a square plus b square. That means what is x square? A plus root a square plus b square by 2. So what is x? It's nothing but plus or minus square root of a plus root a square plus b square by 2. Now subtract these two. What we get? Y is equal to, after subtracting, we get plus or minus square root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. So we got x and we got y. Okay. So since we got x and y, let us substitute here. Let me erase this. Okay, we got x and we got y. So what we will do? We will substitute in z is equal to w square. So we have x value and we have y value. Let me take a pen. So see here, z is equal to w square. Meeting will be over within 5 minutes. Let us rejoin again. I will just conclude with a problem. That's all. So what will be root z? It's nothing but w. So root z is equal to w. What is this w? X plus iy. So what is this x plus iy? Square root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 is x plus I into square root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. Now we get a problem here when we have to take plus and when we have to take minus. See here, we have 2xy is equal to b. 2xy is equal to b. Since 2xy is equal to b, and this b will be positive when both x and y are having same sign. If x is positive, y is positive, b is positive. If x is negative, y is negative, b is positive. So what will be this case? This will be b greater than 0. B greater than 0. If b is less than 0, one will be positive and one will be negative. So here we get, if b is less than 0, we get square root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2. This is the real part. Real part and imaginary part are of opposite sign. So square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2 if b is less than 0. So if b is less than 0, we have to take minus here. If b is greater than 0, we have to take plus. That's all. Don't worry much about the proof of this one. If you solve this, if you prove this at least 2 times, then you will be perfect in the proof of this one. So don't be much worried about this. I will show it this one to you. Yeah. So you take a screenshot of this one, all of you. Don't worry about the proof. You have to remember. I will maximize it. Wait a minute. Yeah. Take a screenshot of this, all of you. Manoj, are you able to hear me? Yamini?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So take the screenshot of this, Is it visible to you,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take the screenshot of this, So I cleared it very clearly. I explained it very clearly on whiteboard, The same proof here in the textbook. You take the screenshot of this. You have to remember this formula, I will highlight this. 1 minute. I will highlight this with the rainbow colors. Okay. So this is very important. Before coming to the next class, you read this one, X plus iy is equal to square root of z is equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into square root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2 if b is greater than 0. If b is less than 0, the simple. Here we have to take minus, that's all. So in order to find square root of z, we have to collect what is the real part of z a. We have to collect what is the imaginary part of z b and substitute in this. You will get the square root. Simple, very easy. We won't solve it in this direct way. Okay. We solve by using this formula. All of you, whether have you taken a screenshot,